My name is Professor Charles Chimobai. I'm a professor of civil engineering at the Enugu State University of Science and Technology, Institute, Abuan. The inspiration to deliver my inaugural lecture born the, of the need for an academic who has got to the zenith of his profession, of his career as a professor, to espouse what he professes as a professor in his special area and to make known to the entire world what he believes in as his vocation in the university. And that was why regarding the incessant failures of civil engineering structures, I had to address that topical issue, because it is clearly evident that if mathematical modeling techniques are rigorously applied to the design and formulation of structural elements in buildings, and if load analysis is properly carried out, the structures will be free and safe from collapse. And that was why I had to articulate and make known this thesis, that if any structure or any system is properly analyzed, taking account of all the things that the structure will bear, that the structure will not fail in carrying out its intended design function. But however, if mathematical modeling techniques are not applied in the process of formulation and implementation of structural analysis and design, then the structure will be prone to failure. My message is that civil engineers must be rigorous. Civil engineering training must be rigorous, because civil engineering is a profession that affects lives of people in a unique way. Because when a civil engineering structure fails, it is not just one life that is affected, that is lost or ruined, but then many people will be affected by incidents of building problems or structural failures. We have seen cases where, when buildings fail, hundreds of people are trapped inside the wreckage of those buildings. So it is important, when civil engineers are being trained, that the rigors of mathematical modeling techniques and mathematical analysis be emphasized in the curriculum, so that they have all the tools and competencies and skills that will enable them apply mathematical modeling techniques in a rigorous and systematic manner in their analysis, design, and implementations of design of civil engineering systems and structure. Yes, I feel very well fulfilled, because over decades that I have trained generations of civil engineers, our students have graduated and become meaningful players in the Nigerian economy. Some of them are senior lecturers occupying top academic positions in Nigerian universities and universities abroad. Some of them are in top positions in the civil engineering industry, in the areas of consulting and consultant and contracting services. Some of them are even holding privileged positions in the politics of Enugu State. One of my mentees is an honorable commissioner responsible for the Ministry of Works and Infrastructure. Before he was appointed honorable commissioner, it was due to he was engaged as a consultant to the government of Enugu State in his capacity as the chief executive of Field Marshal Integrated Concepts Nigeria Limited. And as Field Marshal of Integrated Concepts Limited, he was doing well in the consulting, the civil engineering consulting aspect. He has a very big firm of civil engineers at Abuja, and he got noticed by his performance in the consulting sector, got noticed by the government of Enugu State, who deemed it appropriate to appoint him to that lofty position. I feel fulfilled that many of my mentees are occupying top and privileged positions in all the areas of the economy. And and I am happy that this vocation of teaching that I found myself in is a vocation that gives me opportunity to mold the young minds of generations of students, and I feel proud to say that I am trying my best in that capacity to positively influence the growth and behavior of the prospective engineers. And I'm happy to announce that all the engineers that we have trained, all the civil engineers that we have trained, none has been associated with any incident of building collapse or building failure or structural failure, emphasizing the rigor of the training that we have given them.